I spent £150 in Sephora. Let's see what we got. I got skincare products and body care products. You know, my usual. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it. I have started posting on my social media platform, my TikTok. The link of my TikTok and my Instagram is going to be in the description box. Please check it out. Follow me there because I post daily. You need to follow me because I'm sure you're going to have a good laugh, because when you're watching my YouTube videos and you see me all serious. So first on the list is a body care product, and this is one of the products that I have been dying to try, and this is a Sol de Janeiro Bomb the Body Scrub. So it has 10% AHA and BHA, and that's the reason why I want to try it out, because they say it's supposed to help with retexturizing, clarification, and renewing your skin. So right off the back, this is what it looks like. So let's open it. So this is the big size. I don't think they have the body scrub in the small size, so this is the big size, and says it's a bomb day, which is a good day for your gorgeous skin. So this is what is written here. So look at it. I love the size. It's really big. We have this. Okay, so right off the back, it has a lid, which I love. If you watch my videos, I always say brands should be covering their products because to avoid degradation. Outside the fact that maybe it was shipped to me, imagine going to the store and most of the time the products are already open outside the testers, and that's not really good because it degrades the product. So I like it when brands try as much as possible to cover their products. Although this is not fully covered, it's just a covering, but I would prefer if it was properly sealed. So this is how the body scrub looks like. So I've perceived the body spray and it doesn't smell like the body spray. It's not bad, but it doesn't really smell like the body spray. I don't really care for. I can see some things like the beads inside. I don't know. I will definitely film a shower routine and I'll come back to tell you like how I feel about all the products that I'm going to show you today. So don't forget to subscribe. I recently got the Sol de Janeiro Chorizo 59 and the body butter, so the Delicia Drench body butter. I did a review on that. I'm going to leave that video in the description box. Check it out. I gave my full honest opinion about the new body mist and the butter, if I love it or not. So I'm going to leave that video. If you've used any of these products that I'm naming or I'm going to show you, please let me know how you feel about them in the comment section. I would really love to see you engage with me and tell me products that you've been loving that I can try. I got a skincare, and this is the Byoma Brightening Serum. So this is what it looks like. I've used this before and I love it. I use it mostly at night and I love the way it feels. I really, that's what I've been using. It's a skincare product. I've never tried this brand. I've seen it on TikTok. I've seen people rave about the brand, but I have never tried it and I decided to get it. Guess what? So this is the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Cream Dewy Moisture Plus Plump. So this is what it looks like. Right off the back, I am loving the purple with pink plum color. So let's open it up. Ooh, hello Glow gang. Oh, I love it inside. Look at it. Look at it. Just look at it. I love inside. I love it when brands make their packaging look yummy and cute and ooh. Can you see that? So this is it. It looks beautiful. I don't know, maybe because purple is my favorite color or one of my favorite color right now. I don't know, maybe that's why I'm so excited about it. From the packaging, it says it's a refillable moisturizer. So let's see. So this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about when I say brands cover your product. This is the least you can do. Like Glow Recipe, you've won my heart for this. Come on, this is what I'm talking about. So this is a refill pod. I think we should just, let's see. Oh, okay, so you see, so next time when you want to get it, you just get the pod and you input it inside here. This is nice. I see you Glow Recipe, trying to be environmental friendly Trying not to waste. That's good. This is what we want. It's so pretty. I can't wait to use it. It's quite expensive though. It's quite expensive. I spent like £30 or more. Come on. For the size. For the size. Come on, Gloriousity. Come on. That's a lot. But yeah, that's it. I'm going to be trying this and I'm going to let you know how I feel about it. I got a complete set of the body scrub. As a self-care, as a body care queen, we have to be using complete sets. You know, we can't using the complete set just makes sense, doesn't it? Like using the whole complete set. So I got the mini set because I have perceived the 40 the body mist in store. I think I perceived it in Boots and I loved it, so I just wanted to get the full body set. I know it's the small version, but for me, I prefer getting products in small versions, in mini sizes, so that if I really love it, I'll buy the big size. So for this one, this is the Sol de Janeiro Bomb the Bright Jet set. So the body wash also has, what's inside here is the Bomb the Bright Clarifying AHA BHA body wash. So the body wash is supposed to help with exfoliation and all that, and we have the body cream, the Bright body cream, and we also have the Cherosa 40 body mist. So this is what it looks like, and this is it in all its glory. So let's switch, let's open it up. Okay, so this is the clarifying body wash. So this is what it looks like. So this is a really small travel size. This is 90 ml. The body cream, so this body cream is really small. This is 50 ml. This is way small compared to the Delicia Drench I bought. So this is what it looks like. Covered too. Okay, so yeah, so this actually smells like the body mist I perceived in store. Looking at this right off the back, I can see a difference between this body butter and the Delicia Drench, because this is a cream and the Delicia Drench is a body butter, so that's why the consistency is different, because this looks lighter while the body butter is a little bit thick, but it's very soft. It's a soft butter. It's not thick like a strong butter. Very, very soft. When I use this whole product and give my full review, I'll let you know, like when I use it on my body, in terms of to see how it works on my skin, the moisturizing effect and all of that. So I'll give you full details coming up. Subscribe. So next is the Brazilian Crush Charissa 40 body mist. So this is it. So cute, isn't it? Mini and cute. The note is black amber plum and vanilla woods. I'm not gonna lie, I think vanilla has been killing it for me right now. Fragrance note, the top note is black amber plum, cream de cassis, and the mid note is jasmine blossoms and Brazilian orchid. Why I don't orchid. Okay, whatever. Then the dry note is vanilla woods and warm musk, and I love, like I said, I've perceived it in store, so I like it. I'm not even gonna lie, I feel like it's almost still like the Cherosa, just a little bit. I think maybe it's because I know that in the Cherosa it had the Brazilian orchid, I think so, something like that. I can't remember, but it still smells nice. It's almost like it, but not really it, but it's still a nice one. Next we have the deodorant. Like I said, it's full set, so come on, it has to be, come on, like look at me, like it has to be, you know, full set. It has to be. So the Janeiro Rio Dio aluminium free deodorant with black amber plum and vanilla wood. So this is what it looks like. I've been dying to use a good aluminium free deodorant. I got one some time ago. That was from I think, what's the name of that brand? Wild. I did not like the formula. I did not like the way it felt on my skin, under my arm. It was not good for me. I don't know if they've changed the formula right now, but I did not like it, so I didn't even use it till the end because it was just always looking nasty. No, that formula was no for me. Wild, natural deodorant was a no. There's one other deodorant my sister had used sometimes. It cordial, I'll be cordelia, something like that. I liked it. When I saw that this one also had a deodorant, I had to get it. I'm not going to open it, unfortunately, because I have other videos to watch, but I would try, and like I said, I'll definitely do a review on all these products when I use them, and I'll definitely come back and tell you how I feel about them. So that's the last one. But you know, Sephora, they will always want to give you a complimentary gift. I think most of the time when you shop above £100. So I really don't know this brands, but this is a, so I think this is the Makeup Care face cream. This is what it looks like, just the sample size. And this is sample size of this DHC Japanese moisturizing set. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Yes, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys for sticking around up to this time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. See you guys in my next video.